Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys real quick on how to earn $50 plus per day on SWAGBUCKS. This SWAGBUCKS platform offers various ways of which you can earn money on their platform. So I'm just going to walk you guys through. Just visit swagbucks.com. So here we are. So I already registered. I've been on this platform for some time now. I'm just gonna log out and show you guys how you guys can register on this platform. So you're just gonna click on join today, and you can earn $10 bonus for registering on their platform. So you just type in your email and your preferred password and your confirmed password. Then you're gonna click on the sign up button. So on this platform, you can get free gift card, Walmart, Amazon, and also earn and get PayPal funds. So that is how you can withdraw your money from this platform. So let me just log into my dashboard and show you guys real quick how you can do this. So I'm just gonna click on the login button. So here is how the dashboard looks like. When you register, you're gonna be given all these things, all these stuffs to do. So once you do it, you get paid. 100 SB is equal to $1. That is, SB means the SWAGBUCKS is equal to $1. So this is $3. You can calculate it yourself. So this is how you can earn on this platform. And there are the various ways of which you can earn from this platform is watching movie, answering surveys. Those are the various ways of which you can earn on this platform. So let me walk you guys through some stuff here. So here, these are the section to answer questions and earn money online. So these are the questions of which you're gonna answer and you get paid. So this is it. You just go now, answer the questions, then you get paid for answering the questions. So that's it. And talking about the shop now, you're just gonna buy stuffs from online stores. There are some stores that you can purchase stuff from, then you get paid for each stuff you purchase.